Hello everybody, it's Friday. This is Gurry, your North Myrtle Beach Realtor, here to show you a Tara tour. We are in Little River. This is at the Little River Inn complex, and I have a 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium to show you that's very spacious and quite lovely. It has quite a few assets here that distinguish it from other condominiums in the area. So again, 2-bedroom, 2-bath. It is 1,300 square feet. So this is a great size 2-bedroom, 2-bath condominium. Okay, so we have the closet there with the mirrored sliding doors. Here is the first full bath. So we have the shower tub combination there. And here you have your stackable washer and dryer and utilities room and the HVAC unit. So this will bring you right into the kitchen area. We have a nice table here with a pretty chandelier. Good sized kitchen, pantry right here. So that's a nice stovetop with a smooth stovetop. And then you have a breakfast bar area here, wonderful, with 3 seats all set up to go ahead and enjoy your coffee and biscuits, whatever you like in the morning with your family. And then here's the living area. Again, nice and spacious. This does come with the furniture. Now, this is something that really sets it apart. So this is a tiled, screened-in patio with a nice ceiling fan and a light. And this one actually, there's 2 here. This one has a plexiglass to it. So it's almost like a Carolina room. You could go ahead 3 seasons, enjoy this. And there's a bird feeder out there. You can go ahead and watch the birds. And there's a lot of nice privacy here with these trees. So a great backyard. Alrighty, and again, you get all this wonderful light brought right into the living area. So this is the master bedroom. It's huge, right? This is a great size. Look at this. So a nice large vanity there with the mirror. Again, we're looking at a combo of a bath and a shower. Another vanity there with a mirror and sink. And then a walk-in closet. So, yay, you can walk in, put in whatever you want. And what really sets this apart is this screened-in patio here. Great size. This one has a light. This one is just screened in. You can even hear the birdies. There's a grill over there. Great backyard, nice privacy. And not only would a new owner love this, but the birdies love it here too. So, you can walk right outside. Just nice and peaceful, and someone likes to garden. It's beautiful back here. I'll show you the vantage point from here of the condo. So it's the whole lower level. Again, that 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,300 square feet. The HOA is minimal at $210. This includes a community with a pool. And it includes water, trash pickup, and that's a very low HOA for this area. So again, this is Little River. This is close to the North Carolina border, and very close to North Myrtle Beach. Very sought after areas along the Grand Strand to live in. And all the amenities are here too. So there's medical, you have shopping, you have restaurants, entertainment, whatever you can want. And of course, the beach. The beach. So that will do for tower tours. Again, I'm waiting on, I have a buyer coming to check this out, and I think they're really gonna like it. This is when you walk outside, the view, the buildings. All right, everybody, that will do it. I hope you're having a great day. Make it great.